Hello and welcome to Manifest Mind USA. I'm Arvind Kumar, and today we're talking about something powerful: how to get the exact position you desire. First, get crystal clear on what you want. Not just a vague idea. Write down the exact role, the company, the environment, and even how it makes you feel. Step 2, visualize it daily. Close your eyes and see yourself already there, performing, succeeding, smiling. Let your mind believe it's already yours. Step 3, align your actions. Dress like it, talk like it, apply for it, prepare for it. Opportunities respond to those who are ready. Step 4, use auto-suggestion. Say it out loud every day. I am attracting the perfect position that matches my skills, passion, and purpose. And remember, it's not just about applying. It's about attracting through your mindset and focused intention. You don't chase the position. You become the person who naturally receives it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more power-packed insights. This is Manifest Mind USA, where your vision becomes reality.